Looking for the ultimate keto breakfast? Stop eating cereal and try this. Creamy avocado and eggs, the perfect high-fat, low-carb energy boost. All you need is half an avocado, 2 organic eggs, red pepper flakes, and a pinch of sea salt. Simply scoop out a bit of the avocado, crack the eggs inside, and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. It's rich, buttery, and keeps you full for hours. Total net carbs? Only 2 grams. Give it a try and feel the difference. Subscribe to Keto Cooking Club for more 5-minute keto hacks.